Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix screen protector touch problem or touch not responding issue in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on display. Now in display, scroll down and here you will see the option of button of touch sensitivity. So if you have turned on touch sensitivity, then turn it off, and after turning it off, go back and here scroll down and click on lock screen. Now in lock screen, if you have turned off always on display, then turn it back on, and after doing this your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then it means your protector is not correctly installed. So remove your protector and install a new protector, and after that your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.